Welcome to GrowifyLabs. There's a whole cottage industry right now selling technical AI ranking tricks. The llms txt file, special AI schema, markup you bold on to get cited. Today we separate what genuinely helps from what's a waste of your time and money, using Google's own words. This one will save you money, because a lot of what's being sold here does nothing. Let's get into it. Start with the most hyped one, the llms txt file. It's a proposed standard, a file you put on your site to give AI models a curated guide to your content. Here's the honest state of it. Google has said plainly that you do not need to create AI-specific files to appear in its AI features. There's no evidence that llms.txt gets you cited in Google's AI answers, and Google's documentation is explicit that no special files are required. Some people add it anyway, on the theory that other tools might use it someday. That's a defensible small bet, but selling it as a ranking hack is not honest. Do not pay a premium for llms.txt as a citation trick. Next, schema markup, sold as an AI citation lever. Let's be precise, because this one has a real answer that's more nuanced than yes or no. Google's guidance is clear. There is no special schema you need to add to appear in AI overviews or AI mode. No AI-specific markup, no secret structured data type that unlocks citations. So anyone selling AI schema as the key is selling a key to an unlocked door. But, and this matters, that doesn't mean schema is useless. It means you should understand what it actually does. Structured data helps machines understand your content unambiguously. What's a product, a price, an author, an organization, a review, an event? That clarity supports how these systems parse and represent you, and it powers rich results in classic search. It's genuinely worth doing well. Standard, relevant schema for what your page actually is, organization, article, product, FAQ, and so on, is good practice. The distinction is simple. Schema clarifies what you already are. It doesn't manufacture authority you haven't earned. Correct markup on a thin, unknown page doesn't get it cited. Correct markup on a genuinely authoritative page helps the machine represent it accurately. Use it as clarification, not as a growth hack. So if not the files and the markup, then what? The unglamorous things. And I want to be clear about the contrast. Genuine topical authority. Content structured for retrieval. The question headings and direct answers we covered. Mentions across the sources these engines trust. Freshness. Technical health, so you're actually indexable and eligible. That's the list. None of it is a file you upload. All of it is work you do. The reason the markup myths sell so well is that uploading a file feels easier than earning authority. It's just that only one of those actually works. So here's the honest technical to do, so you're not neglecting the real stuff. Implement standard, accurate schema for what your pages genuinely are. Make sure you're indexable and eligible for snippets, because that's Google's stated bar for AI features. Keep the site fast and clean. And decide deliberately about AI crawlers. If you want to be cited, don't block the crawlers that feed the answers. That's the real technical layer. It's mostly good SEO, which is the whole point. So honestly, llms.txt is not a Google ranking mechanism. AI schema is not a citation unlock, and Google says no special files or markup are required for its AI features. The schema is still worth doing, as clarification, not as a hack. What actually gets you cited is authority, structure, mentions, and freshness. Don't buy the file, do the work. If you want your technical setup and structured data audited properly, that's part of our detailed audit. Link below. Thank you for listening. If this was useful, follow GrowifyLabs. We publish multiple videos on this every week. And tell me in the comments, has anyone tried to sell you llms.txt or AI schema as a ranking trick? I'd love to hear the pitch. I read every reply.